Krissa, and we are Weld House. It all started with one man.
My name's Joel Hester. I founded this, 10 years ago.
We specialize in creating custom metal furniture with extreme quality and passion. Our custom furniture can powerfully transform any residential, retail, or business office space. Our combination of materials sets us apart from any other steel furniture manufacturers. With our way of repurposing automotive metal,
not only do we take pieces of history from the automotive aspects, we also can incorporate modern designs.
Superior product is something that will outlast other companies' products.
A lot of them are totally one of a kind that can never be duplicated.
You're not going to find anything like what we offer anywhere else.
There's no place like it. It's a one-of-a-kind shop with one-of-a-kind people.
Weld House offers a free custom design rendering to all new clients. You should buy a Weld House product because
It's stuff that you're bringing back to life. It's been rotting in a junkyard for 40 plus years.
you will not find a product like it anywhere else. All your friends will want one.